Docker Blazor server demo, but I wish to change it to from the Docker profile to Docker Blazor server demo or IIS profile. So each of these is coming up with this error. This happens even with the IIS Express. So what is the workaround? How do I solve this problem? Let's get back to close it and then try again. And I have removed the .vs folder. What I'll do, I'll straight away go to the solution file. So, and open the project and then try to get to the IIS or Dockerfile server demo profile. So this time I'm able to do that. All right. So this problem is sorted. I'll try the other profile, IIS Express. So I'm able to run from the IIS Express also. And I have now run this application with Control plus F5 and it is loading correctly. This problem is now sorted. So now Visual Studio keeps a temporary cache of your project to open solutions faster. It's stored inside a hidden folder called the .vs folder in your project directory. But when you upgrade your project, for example, from .NET 3.1 to .NET 10a, the cache data inside that folder still points to the old project configuration and SDK references. So when Visual Studio tries to switch run profiles or build, it gets confused because the cached metadata no longer matches your new setup. The fix is super simple. Just close Visual Studio, delete the .vs folder, reopen the solution and everything rebuilds cleanly from scratch.